Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Hoover. This is insane. Oh, I'm gonna keep on farting for you. Bean. Maxie, the baby, the farting. And yeah, now we are driving onto the dam. Some Jamaicans. Can you fart for me? I know. I feel like it. Okay. We're in Nevada. Where's the river? The color difference is insane. The color difference? Look!
Oh, it's white?
Yeah. Some more Jamaicans. Another Jamaican. I just filmed the police guy. We were just on that bridge, bro. That's insane. And we're about to be driving over. Well, now we are done driving on it, and I want to try to show you guys more for when I explode. Oh, this is gonna be a good shot. Then going that bridge over there, and then I can see. Another Jamaican. Oh my lordy lord. Huh? Parking lot right there. Yes, sir. How you get to it? Or parking here, I guess. Or not. No.
We're in Arizona.
Oh, wait, what? We're in Arizona now?
Yep. Not yet.
No. Arizona, the Grand Canyon State welcomes you.
You guys want to go into the visitor center?
No,
No.
I just want to see it.
You guys want to walk across the dam?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do.
Section you've been, because we are.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime thing, so you're doing it.
Yep.
Actually, no, it's not.
Actually, yeah, it is.
When are you planning on coming back, Max?
What do you mean?
I don't think Klein's taking you on a field trip here.
You never said it was.
W flaming hot Cheetos. Alright, that's as much as I can film. And that's Hoover Dam. It's insane. It's so good. Honestly, I thought it was going to be bigger. Like, me and Dad literally hyped this up so hard. He said it was going to be super big, and now it's just a regular one. Like and subscribe.